This video is for the millions of men around the world who carry the Y-DNA haplogroup E1B1A or any of its subgroups. You're looking at a picture of my father and me. My father passed in 2015, and he didn't know who he was until he crossed over to be with the Most High God. Let's move on. You're looking at a copy of my certificate for family tree DNA. I had my Y chromosome tested in 2012. The numbers on the bottom are my mutations from my ancestor, my male ancestors, okay? Every man on the face of the earth has the DNA markers on top, okay? Like a 393, 390, and so forth. It's the numbers on the bottom. How many times do your DNA strand repeats on each one of those DNA markers, okay? The 6 markers that I have circled on my certificate matches up with this haplotype. In other words, I had an E-U175 haplotype, an exact match, okay, on every single DNA marker. Let's get on Wikipedia, type in haplogroup E-V38, and you'll see, okay? I'm going to tell you about this E-U175 haplotype, what the DNA community did. It actually came from the original E1B1A haplotype itself, okay? So they cut it from that. Watch this. This E-U175 haplotype that I just showed you, it comes from Arabia, okay? This is a map from Family Tree DNA's own database, okay? And these are men who are members in this particular project, okay? And they have this this haplotype, okay? And you see Arabia dominates. That explains why when Family Tree DNA gave me a map, okay, of my male movements, you see right there, it's almost identical. The Arabian plate, and then South America, and then to the United States. You see that? My male ancestor matches also confirms a Middle Eastern origin. I have 12 exact matches, and 10 of my 12 exact matches come from the Arabian plate. 6 from Saudi Arabia, 2 from Yemen, 1 from Bahrain, and 1 from Kuwait. The other 2 come from South America. You see that? I have 16 distant matches, and 9 of my 16 distant matches also comes from the Arabian plate. Okay? That's me and my kid number. But yeah, my haplogroup is E-M2. You see that? E-M2 or E1B1A. Okay, it's the same thing. Moving on. This E1B1A haplogroup and all of its subgroups, I want you to get on Facebook and go to the E1B1A Hebrew Israelite Haplogroup Nation. These men believe that the E1B1A haplogroup is from the seed of Jacob, okay? The seed of Israel. And they're right. And I'm going to show you this. I'm glad I saved this paper from August 2012 because Family Tree DNA said, once again, my haplogroup was E1B1A, and you see the shorthand is E-M2. It's the same thing. That's me, my kid number, okay? So what we're looking at is this E-M2. I want you to go to this website, ISO GG 2006 Y-DNA SMP Index, okay? Let's type that in and go down and look at this M2. You see back then it was called E3A, haplogroup E3A was the same as M2. But they knew about this in 1994, so they've been on this a long time. You see that? Long time. Watch this E3A. Watch this. I want you to go to this website, ISOGG 2006, and look at the Y-DNA haplogroup tree, okay? Just click on haplogroup E. That's the tree you want to look at. And look at this E3A. See it right there? E3A and M2 right there. You see that? It's first, okay? And the subgroups are the descendants of the Israelites, okay? In other words, E3A and M2, was first. That's where it begins at, all right? That's the basal, the root basal that passed down the M2 DNA marker, okay, that you would test positive for if you're a descendant of Israel, okay? Watch this. Watch this. E3A is the most common linkage among African Americans. You see that? It lines up with the Bible. It's the most popular haplogroup, the most common haplogroup E1B1A, E3A, M2 is the same, okay? Don't be confused. I just showed you E3A is the same as M2, okay? And it's the #1 haplogroup for so-called African Americans, okay? This is the website that I got this from, the ISOGG Tree 2007, okay? Let's go there and look. But let's not forget about Africa, okay? Our brothers in Africa that test positive for M2, okay? You see that? Dominates the African continent, okay? Watch this. I want you to go to this site, okay? Roots Web, Ancestry DNA. Okay, Ancestry DNA actually funds and supports Roots Web. But this haplotype right here, this is the original E3A haplotype, and I have it. I have all 8 of these markers on the original, on my certificate, okay? And you see they even give you the percentages. In the USA, African Americans, only 1.16% of men have it, okay? Including the double 16s. I have it, okay? I have it. I have every single marker, all 8 markers, okay? So you see what they did. They took the E-U175 haplotype from this original E1B1A haplotype itself, okay? Unbelievable. Moving on. You guys come from Arabia, okay? You guys come through the bloodline of Shem, through Eber, and through Peleg, okay? To Abraham, okay? To Isaac, to Jacob, okay? That's the bloodline, okay? I'm a Hebrew. I was born a Hebrew. I thought that I was a descendant of the Israelites. I'm actually the ancestor of the Israelites. I thought that because I thought I had the E-U175 haplotype. I didn't know that I had the original root basal, the bloodline that passed down the M2 DNA marker itself, okay? Only God can do that. This lines up with the Bible. It lines up with Genesis chapter 10, okay? May the Most High God have the glory, and thank you for watching this video.